Hi, my name is Victoria Bossa and welcome to Victoria Bossa's How To, where I give you the basic skills to excel as a PR professional. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to be notified when I upload a video. Today, I'm going to give you tips on how to adapt to change quickly. How to adapt to change quickly. Accept the past, but focus on the future. We cannot avoid change, and the more we resist change, the tougher our life becomes. According to John F. Kennedy, change is the law of life. We are surrounded by change, and it is the one thing that has the most dramatic impact on our lives. You must accept the situation that you are in, and if you have no control over it, it was the universe's fault. Approach change as a process and be ready to move at your own pace. Accepting something out of our control is quite hard, so go easy on yourself. Here's my story about change. I have gone through a lot of changes that have forced me to accept the situation but work extremely hard to have a bright future. I must say this trick has worked. That one situation that broke me was when I lost my sister in June 2017. I was devastated because it happened abruptly, but I struggled to raise her one-day child she left behind. I realized that all that was left was to accept the situation and move on. I still feel pain, but at least I accepted that there was nothing I could do about it. Therefore, accept the past like me and focus on building a bright future. Face your fears. Fear can paralyze you from making progress and from growing. It may be fear of leaving a company for another one or finding your soulmate. Start writing about your fears of what was lost or whatever change is impacting you. Sometimes we can get to the root when we see it in front of us. Sometimes we need to step back in order to move forward. Author Carol Roth suggested visualizing yourself jumping across a creek. You can't jump standing from where you are. You have to physically move backward in order to give yourself the momentum needed to run and take that leap forward. Facing your fears may seem like backtracking, but you are actually making progress despite what you may be feeling. Love yourself. Sometimes when you fail in life, you can really hate yourself. You may hate yourself for not being more kind, responsive, or doing the best job at the time. Self-hatred manifests in all kinds of unhealthy behaviors like isolation and addiction. You can say this: self-doubt stops today. And understand that you don't need to internalize the pain of change. List the things you accomplished in the past and all of your positive characteristics. Go over this until you are assured. Let go of regrets. Regrets have a huge impact on how you respond to change, and they will hold you back in life. Letting go of your regrets is key to you being able to move forward in life. It is the events of change that present opportunities in life. So if you are looking back at your past, you may miss the opportunities of the present and the future. You cannot change what you did or did not do in the past, so let it go. The only control you have now is to choose to live in your present and future life. A great exercise to deal with regrets in life is to blow up a heap of balloons and on each balloon write a regret. Then let the balloon go. As the balloon drifts off, out loud say, Goodbye to regrets. Very simple, but an effective way of dealing with the pile of regrets that you have collected in your life. Change your perspective. As much as change can be painful, it also makes you grow. Change can help usher in new business associates, friends, hobbies, and new ideas. It can come in other forms as well. Let's just say that you are adapting to a new town. It may take a while to feel comfortable, but along the way, you can meet new friends and even be inspired to start your own business. Be on the lookout for good changes. If it takes more time to see the benefits, remain faithful and motivated to see the positives that come from reconstructing your outlook. Have you got any tips, tricks, or strategies that you would like to share with the channel? Get them in the comments below. And if you like what you've seen, please go ahead and subscribe. But until next time, I'll see you then. I'm Victoria Bossa.